Ladies and gentlemen, my video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Alphaware. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, they are able to open their files without any troubles at all, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Alphaware ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, so then very soon users realize that they cannot access their files anymore because of this Alphaware ransomware. The ransomware then encrypts files and appends a special extension to the file names, so it is then not just possible to use the files anymore. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. Alphaware is this extension appended to the file names. The ransomware drops this readme.txt file, indicating that users need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you start scanning, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of all the infections which were revealed on the system. Its anti-ransomware feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect the files from all further ransomware attacks. Premium license helps with this feature. At the end of the scan, the summary of threats is given. Some infections can be removed manually based on the summary of threats, but I recommend that you still consider upgrading to premium license, because you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.